Okay, you know very well that we have covered many instruments from the online practicals. That is the first experiment, introduction to least count of measuring instrument. Okay, so in that we have covered meter scale, thermometer, vernier caliper, screw gauge up to optical bench. Okay, so only two instruments are remaining, that is voltmeter and ammeter, and after that calculation of resistance of the register, okay, by using color code method. So if you remember how to read an instrument, okay, the flow chart is very well known to you. Okay, so I shall skip this slide. Further further what is LC? You know very well the definition of LC and its formula, that is smallest division on main scale divided by total number of divisions on vernier scale. Okay, so we remember these things, definition of LC and formula for LC. So after that, in case of the next instrument, that is the voltmeter. Voltmeter is used for the measurement of voltage, okay, or potential difference across two terminals in physics and electronics laboratory. Okay, so this is the photograph of voltmeter. This is the photograph of voltmeter. And can you tell me what is the range of this voltmeter? If you remember, range of meter scale, that was 0 to 100. Okay, so readings were 0 to 100. It means we can measure from 0.1 centimeter to 100 centimeter. Okay, that is 1 meter. So here in this case, the indicator, that is the needle of the voltmeter, is indicating 0, then 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Are you getting me? लक्षात येते का तुमच्या? The needle is indicating 0, okay, and here V stands for voltage to be measured, and the bar below this V bar, this bar below this V is indicating that this is the DC voltmeter. This voltmeter is used for the measurement of DC voltage. So here red knob is there and black knob is there. Okay, so wherever you are going to connect the voltmeter, wherever and whenever you have to connect the red wire of the circuit to the red knob and the black one to the black wire to the black knob, that is red is universally positive. Okay, so therefore this red wire should be connected to the red knob, and minus negative or the black wire is to be connected to this black knob. Okay, so focus on the 0, then 2, 4, 6, 8, that is something to 10. That's something we are going to measure just now. That something to 10 is actually the range of the voltmeter. Okay, so this Besto is the company, model, class, voltage, etc. is everything is written on the voltmeter. So here if we count the total number of divisions from 0 to 2, okay, 0 to 2, 0 आणि 2च्या मध्ये टोटल नंबर ऑफ डिव्हिजन्स किती आहे ते आपल्याला काउंट करायचं आहे. मग त्या जर आपण मेजर केल्या, इफ वी काउंट द नंबर ऑफ डिव्हिजन्स बिटवीन 0 and 2, those are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so 5 big subdivisions are there, and further they are divided into again small divisions, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That is total 10 divisions are marked between 0 and 2. Okay, and similar is the scale arrangement of the scale from 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8 and 8 to 10. Okay, so the possible value of least count of this voltmeter would be equal to this 2 divided by 10 is equal to 0.2. Okay. So least count of this voltmeter is equal to 0.2. Are you getting me? The next one here, if we want to have the range of this voltmeter, that would be equal to 0.2 to 10 volt. Okay, so minimum possible measurement is 0.2 volt with the help of this voltmeter, and maximum value is 10. Okay, so after that we have another type of DC voltmeter. Here this is plus, and the minus, that is a DC moving coil. So this is R and company, this is V, and the bar below V stands for the DC voltage measurement. Okay, so here 0 and 2.5. So similarly, 10 divisions are marked between 0 and 2.5. Therefore, the least count of this voltmeter is equal to 0.25 volt. And the maximum range is 15 volt. Okay. So after that, we have another instrument, that is milliammeter. Milliammeter, and the bar below small m and a, that is bar below ma, is indicating that this is DC milliammeter. Okay, so here 0 is there, then 50, then 100, 150, and 200. That is, if we count the number of total divisions between 0 and 50, those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Therefore, 50 divided by 10 is equal to 5 milliampere. Okay, that is 5 mA. So the least count of this milliammeter is equal to 5 milliampere. Okay, this is milliammeter, and whose least count is 5 milliampere. Okay, and the range is 5 milliampere to 200 milliampere. After that, this is multimeter. On this multimeter, we have two knobs, that is positive and negative. Red one is positive and the black one is negative. Okay, so here at the center you can find out the knob, and here AM, that is current. Then this is again A, and a wave mark is there, that is this region, that is from this red line to another end, it is used for the measurement of AC, alternating current. So from this region to another region, this region is used for the measurement of DC current. Here ohm, that is symbol of ohm is there, that is this range is used from this one to that one. This range is used for the measurement of resistor. Okay, then after that, here Vm is there, Vm or VDC sometimes. So this VDC is used for the measurement of DC voltage. Then V and wave like symbol, that is measurement of alternating voltage. So whatever you want to measure, you have to change the position of the knob in the clockwise or in anti-clockwise sense. Okay, suppose you want to measure register of a resistance whose value actually you don't know, then you have to change the position of this bar or the bar present on the knob towards this 2k or 20k or 200 in the ohm range. Okay, so this is about multimeter. Meter means to measure, and multi means with the help of this meter we can measure resistance, DC current, AC current, AC voltage, DC voltage, and also here EBC is written. EBC and E is written at the right top corner of this multimeter. We can find out, or we can check the transistor, that is the type of transistor, that is NPN or PNP, that is which one is emitter, which one is base, and which one is the collector. Okay, you might be remembering that in case of forward characteristics of transistor and in case of reverse characteristics of transistor, the resistance of transistor is different. Okay, So depending upon the difference and depending upon the type of the transistor, we can check which type of transistor it is. Okay, and we can find out the emitter, base, and collector of the transistor. After that, this is also another photograph of multimeter. At the bottom, you can find various knobs, that is V oblique ohm. That is, this knob is used for the measurement of voltage and ohm. This knob is common. The black one is the common. That is, this knob should be kept in this terminal only. Then 2A, that is current whose value is below 2 ampere, that should be measured from this. And here 10 ampere. Okay, this is not visible in this photograph. So this is multimeter, and this is the on off switch of the multimeter. So this symbol, when this open means this is off, and when this is on means when it is pressed. Now color code for resistors, okay, for carbon resistors. So in case of resistor, first two rings from the end give the first two significant figures of resistance in ohm. Okay, the third ring indicates the decimal multiplier, and the last ring indicates the tolerance in percent about the indicated value. For example, a b into 10 raised to c, that is plus minus d percent in ohm. Okay, so you have to remember the letters present on the register, body of the register, that is B B R O Y G B V G B. Okay, first B stands for black color, then brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, and white. And the number in case of register starts from 0, for black 0, for brown 1, for red 2, for orange 3, yellow 4, green 5, blue 6, violet 7, gray 8, and white 9. Okay, so from 0, that is black, to white, that is 9. And in case of tolerance, if we have gold ring on the register, then its tolerance is 5%. If you have silver ring, then its tolerance is 10%, and if no color, then its tolerance is 20%. What is the meaning of tolerance? Suppose we have measured the value of 100 ohm. Okay, so if we have gold ring or the band on the register, then 5% of the 100 ohm, okay, 5% of the 100 ohm, that would be plus or minus. So 5% is the tolerance. म्हणजे तुम्ही 100 ओहम एखाद्या रेजिस्टन्सची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट केली तर त्याच्यामध्ये 5% कमी किंवा 5%नी जास्त हे व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला ऑब्झर्व होते. ओके, सो आफ्टर दॅट we can have the example of the color bands on the register. Okay, so here is the first band, this one, then second band, and the third band. And you have to remember that the third band is the multiplier, that is this one, 10 raised to something or 10 raised to c. Okay, and the fourth band indicates the tolerance of the register. So here also, this is one of the picture of register. This is another. Then first digit, this one, second digit, and the multiplier. So this is the brown color, then green color, and the red one. So where is brown? This is brown. Okay, then green and red. So this is brown, green, and the red. So B, brown stands for 1, then green stands for 5, and red stands for 2, that is 15 into 10 raised to 2. Okay, ohm. And in case of tolerance, if we have gold one or the silver one band on this body of the register, then we can find out the tolerance. The next, once again, the same, that is for black color 0, whose multiplier is 10 raised to 0 is 1, Then for brown, digit is 1, 10 raised to 1. For red, 2, 10 raised to 2. For orange, 3, 10 raised to 3. For yellow, 4, 10 raised to 4. Green, 10 raised to 5, and so on. Okay. So depending upon the bands present on the register, and if you identify carefully the color of the band and whose number, then we can find out the resistance of the register. Okay. So here is the example. First digit yellow one, then second digit violet one, multiplier red one, and the tolerance, that is the yellow one. Okay. So in case of gold, this is the gold one, yellow one. This yellow stands for gold tolerance, gold color. In this example, the first one is the first digit is the yellow. So where is yellow? Yellow stands for 4. So this is 4. Then second one, second digit is violet. Violet has 7 number. Okay. Then second one is the 4, sorry, 7 into multiplier red. Red is 10 raised to 2. Okay. So 10 raised to 2 is equal to 100, and the gold tolerance is 5%. Okay. So 47 kilo ohm plus minus 5%. Okay. So this is the value of the resistor. After that, suppose if we have 4 bands on the register, then depending upon the tolerance, multiplication, first digit, second digit, and third digit, and also if we have TCR, that is the another band present on the register, then that is nothing but the temperature coefficient of resistance, ppm per Kelvin. Okay. So temperature coefficient of resistance. So here you can find out the value of register depending upon the color of the band. Okay. Just you have to remember BB Roy, good boy, very good boy. That is black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray. Okay. And last one is the white. So once again, the same, that is BBROY, then GBVGW. So black, obviously 0, 10 raised to 0, brown 1, red 2, orange 3, and so on. Suppose we have a 4-band register like this. So this one is the first one is the red color. Red is having 2, therefore it is 2. Then another one, that is the violet color, then 7, then 2, then 7, and third one is the brown one. Okay. So brown stands for 10 raised to 1, that is 10. So 27 into 10 is equal to 270. And the last one is the gold color, whose tolerance is 5%. Therefore, it is 270 ohms with tolerance of 5%. Then in case of 5-band resistor, so if we come to know the values and the bands of the colors on the register, then we can find out the value of this register is equal to 100 kilo ohms with tolerance is equal to 1%, because on the right hand side of this register, brown band is present, and the tolerance for this brown band is 0 plus minus 1%. Okay. So similarly, if we have 4 bands, 5 bands, and 6 bands, we can find out the value of the register depending upon the color codes. Okay. So this is all about finding the resistance of the register.